The Department of Motor Vehicles, or DMV, is the agency that conducts the hearing on your driver's license suspension, but only if you request it in writing within 10 days from the date of your DUI arrest. Take a look at my simple sample letter located in the Documents file on your screen. I recommend you fax the letter to DMV to be sure it gets there on time, plus you will get a confirmation that the fax went through. Maybe you still have the yellow sheet of paper they gave you at the police station with the impossibly long name, Notice of Rights and Procedures in Driver and Motor Vehicle Implied Consent Hearings? We are going to call it the notice. The notice is so long and intimidating that only a small percentage of the folks who get their license suspended actually follow the directions and appeal. If you need another copy, look at the Documents folder on your video. Know your rights, save your money, and you can do that by representing yourself at the DMV hearing. According to some experts, the main way most people win is either the police officer doesn't show up for the hearing or the paperwork is messed up. I appealed my DMV suspension on a different issue and won without saying a word because the DMV didn't have their paperwork in order. So go for it! Here's another approach. Take a look at number 3 on the notice, Scope of Hearing. The state has to prove every one of these 9 points to suspend your license. If they miss even one, you win! Check to see if you think the police violated your rights, some of which we discussed at the beginning of the video. The DA has to prove some of these same points in the criminal DUI trial. If you decide to take the trial path and hire a private attorney, ask him or her to look into this list for you and find out if the flat fee they charge you includes the DMV hearing or if they're going to charge you extra. Besides, there's nothing to lose. There is no penalty for trying to get your driver's license reinstated at the DMV hearing. If you lose, DMV suspends your license for the same amount of time. Plus, it has no effect on your DUI case in the court system. The DMV system and the DUI court system are completely independent. For example, as odd as it sounds, you can be found guilty in the DMV system for failing the breath test and not guilty in the court system for failing the breath test. Hey folks, I didn't write the law, I just tried to explain it. Once again, for a limited time only, I'm offering my Oregon DUI video consultation free in exchange for your valuable feedback. Please email your comments at cowgirlattorney@gmail.com. Help me make this DUI video the best it can be for all our fellow Oregonians. And be sure to check out my website, cowgirlattorney.com. All of this online legal help brought to you by the Cowgirl Attorney. Know your rights and save your money.